How to enable listening exercise on Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on settings. So here, we're in the settings interface. On the top, you'll be able to find preferences. Tap on preferences. So this is the place where you can enable listening exercises. Simply tap on it in order to turn it on. So as you can see, it has been turned on. Now after you enable this, there will be different listening exercises where you can complete different course in the game. Now if you go back, it will all be set and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.